Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by protecting your data. Backup photos, messages, and app settings to cloud or PC. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and enable developer options in settings by tapping build number 7 times. Make sure to free at least 3 to 5 GB of storage by uninstalling large apps and clearing cache. This prevents background thrashing. These steps prepare the system, so the performance changes you apply next will take immediate effect and avoid data loss. You now focus on deeper system tuning. Go to Settings, Battery and Performance and restrict background activity for heavy apps. This reduces CPU wake-ups and saves RAM. Then open Developer Options and set Window, Transition, and Animator animation scales to 0. 5x to make UI feel snappier. Make sure to uninstall or disable resource-hungry apps or replace them with light additions. These actions reduce load and thermal throttling, so the phone sustains higher performance during normal use. Finish by checking storage and running a quick cache clear. Boot to recovery and wipe cache partition if lag persists, since that removes stale system files without deleting data. Before any extreme step, reset app preferences to fix misbehaving apps. If performance still fails, a factory reset is the only reliable final measure. It restores system defaults and removes deep software bloat. If something goes wrong, first reflash stock firmware or seek Xiaomi service. Don't flash unknown ROMs to avoid bricking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.